Hi everyone. For today, I'm going to show you tutorial for the time study. And here we have the data for the 3 tasks that need to be calculated for the standard time for the job. Okay. And we have performance rating given to us. And the observation for the job or the operation, they observe for this 6 cycle. And then we have information here on the allowance. It's 50%. Okay, so the first step, we need to look at the observation time and to delete any unusual or non-recurring observation that it's outside from the normal range. Okay, so we look for the job or the task A. We can see that all the observation time is quite normal, and then for task B, there's a abnormal observation here. Suddenly it shoot up to 1.32, so we need to eliminate this. And then for task C, it seems like okay. And the next step is we have to compute the average time for each task. Okay, for task A, we are using all the 6 observations, so we need to take the average, and then we have 1.19 minutes. But for task B, we eliminate one observation, so we left with 5, so we divide by 5, 0.83 minutes. And for time C, for the task C, we taking all the observation, thus we have to divide by 6 for the observation, for 0.56. Next, we need to convert all the task time into the normal time. And the formula for normal time is average of the time that we calculated earlier times the rating, in which means the performance rating that is given in the table for task A, B, and C. So for normal time task A, we have 0.309. Okay, and for normal time B, we get 0.955, and normal time for task C, we have 0.588. And then after we have all the normal time for all the tasks, we need to find the standard time. But before we proceed with the time, we need to sum or to total up all the task time. Okay, and then we have 2.852, and then after that we can compute the standard time for the job with all the tasks included, with the formula of total normal time divide by 1 minus allowance factor, in which from the question they given us 15%, so total standard time is 3.355. Okay, from the standard time, we can compute the standard output for 1 hour, which we call it the standard output, hourly standard output. Okay, so for 1 hour, how many units that we can produce? Okay, we need to know the total working time. For this case, is 1 hour, so it's 60 minutes divided by the standard time. We have calculated earlier. 1788 units that we can get for 1 hour, but we need to report as 17 units. Okay, we need to round down because it's in the unit. We cannot report it as 17.88. It's not complete. And then we can also calculate the standard output for daily, means that the one working day output for the operation. So for this case, they give us 8 hours. So total working time is 8 hours times 60 minutes divided by the standard time. So we get 143.07. And we need to report it as 143. And we need to round down. So that's the production for the day. Okay, based on the standard time that we have calculated before.